Are we truly doing enough to protect our beautiful planet for future generations? Nature is the lifeline and heartbeat of our planet, supporting all living beings. Every single species plays a crucial and irreplaceable role in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystem. Human actions have a profound and lasting impact on the health and well-being of the Earth. This year, we focus on connecting people and plants through digital innovation, highlighting the critical role of technology in protecting our natural world. Implementing sustainable solutions is key to securing a brighter and more resilient future for all. Together, united in our efforts, we can create a powerful and positive change for the betterment of our planet. MSK is dedicated to safeguarding environmental integrity. Join MSK in contributing to a sustainable future this World Conservation Day.